In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your version of Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue, checking compatibility, or just curious, knowing the exact version of your software is incredibly helpful. So, let's dive right in and find out how you can easily access this information. First things first, you need to open up Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your computer. It's important to begin by ensuring the program is fully opened. This will give us access to all the necessary menus and options we need to identify the version. Take a moment to make sure everything has loaded properly. Now, let's break it down based on your operating system. If you're using a Windows computer, you're going to want to look towards the top menu bar and locate the Help option. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu with various options, where you can find a selection called About Acrobat. This is the magic button, so go ahead and click on it. For those of you using a Mac, don't worry. Your steps are just as straightforward. On Mac OS, you should look towards the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the Acrobat menu. Clicking on Acrobat will reveal a drop-down list, where you can select About Acrobat. This will bring up the same information that Windows users see. Once you've clicked on About Acrobat, a pop-up window will appear. This is where you'll find the version number of your Acrobat Pro DC software. It might look something like version 24.02.20736, though of course the specifics will vary depending on the version you have installed. This number is very important, especially if you need to provide precise details while seeking support or confirming compatibility with other systems or plugins. In addition to the version number, this pop-up window also provides information regarding the software track you're on. You'll notice a mention of either the continuous track or the classic track. This detail provides insight into the update cycle your software follows. If you're on the continuous track, your software receives frequent incremental updates to improve functionality and security. On the other hand, the classic track means your updates are more periodic and often bundled into larger releases. Understanding which track you're on can be vital for planning around updates and for adapting to new features as they become available. And that's really all there is to it. Whether you're using Windows or Mac OS, finding your Adobe Acrobat Pro version is a quick and simple process. Knowing this information not only helps you troubleshoot issues more effectively, but also ensures that you can stay up to date with the latest features and security improvements. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made checking your software version a breeze. Feel free to leave any questions or comments if you need further assistance.